What's up, guys? Happy hump day. So I wanted to jump on here and check in. We just got back from a little 2-day getaway. Went to the Adventureland theme park in Des Moines, and then woke up the next day, slept until like 9:30ish, and then we hit the zoo, Blank Park Zoo in Des Moines, before we came back home. So it was nice. We went to Adventureland Monday, and it was like 70-ish at the high, and there was a good breeze going, so it was a good day to go. The zoo, it was kind of hot, but not too hot, and it didn't rain, so everything worked out there. But I wanted to check in with you guys and give you an update on the legendary lead software. You guys probably thought I was just slacking off, but really, I've been working behind the scenes on this since I announced that I was working on this solely for the next 6 months. So I've already kind of got the basic design for the website, and it might look a little familiar because I might have repurposed it from another project not to be named, but shit works out sometimes. So this is going to be the sign-up page for the legendary lead software. If you are a current subscriber on any monthly reoccurring plan, you guys are going to be able to get this for free. I want to say within the next month or so, I'm going to be taking some early adopters onto the platform. So if you want to get this for free, be one of the first new users on the software, feel free to DM me. I'm going to start collecting info from you guys so I can get those accounts set up. I'm going to do this manually in the beginning before I automate the process. So if anyone wants to help out there and get early access to the new platform, feel free to hit me up. I built out the website. I'm going to be working on content and demo videos and stuff like that. And then I'm going to be, streamlining the platform for all my users so they can just sign up. I'll have videos, bang, bang, boom, showing people how to get started right away. I created a help desk, so I'll have support videos and articles in here you guys can check out. We'll have chat support within the platform itself. So if you guys need help with something, if you're getting stuck, I'll have live agents. I might pop in there too, but I'm going to try to get a support VA at least and start training them up on the software as well. So they'll be either to point you to the right help desk article, or you can even share your screen with them and they can see where you're getting stuck inside the platform. It's going to be awesome. Really love the platform so far. So all that's coming together. It's going to be something like this. You can come here to whatever category you want to learn more about, find an article matching that topic, then you'll come here. There'll probably be a video and some text or some text describing the article and how to do whatever you're looking to do. So that's what I've been working on so far. It's really amazing, some of the things you can do with this new platform. I'll give you guys a little hint. SMS marketing is going to be a big part of this platform. So if you've used Chirply in the past, you know the power of that, automating SMS marketing. We're going to be doing bringing a lot of stuff into one place. So you'll have an organized inbox for text messages, email, Facebook Messenger conversations, all your phone calls. You'll be able to see that all in one place so you can respond from that consolidated inbox. And really cool stuff like integrations with your calendar. We're going to have our own calendar you can use, or you can use whatever you're using currently if you want to integrate that with Zapier via webhooks. But a lot of cool stuff for automating, calendar reminders, setting appointments on autopilot for you, text message triggers and stuff like that. So if someone clicks a link inside of a text message, we'll be able to fire automations based on that. And it's going to be crazy, guys. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, all current subscribers will be getting access to this platform for free for a limited window once we launch. So be sure to reach out if you're interested in that. Once we actually launch, we're not launching anytime soon. It'll probably be a month or more away yet. But once we launch, I'll have probably a week or two window where I give, a bunch of notice like I'm doing right now so that current users can get this for free. If you take advantage of that during that window, you guys will get that for free included in your current subscriptions. Outside of that, we'll probably do a beta launch to the public with a discount for a period of time as well that they can lock that rate in. And then my plan for pricing is probably $97 a month for this tool. on the low plan. And on the unlimited plan, it'll probably be more like $297 a month or something like that. So that's just a heads up on the pricing and the value that I expect to be delivering to you guys. So if you are currently signed up for a plan at like 30 a month or 97 a month now, you're going to get at least that much more value for free if you take advantage of the reaching out before the official launch. So, and you'll be helping me kind of figuring out how to automate the process for all my future users as well. So that's why I'm doing that. So there's probably 80 current clients I have. Appreciate all you guys. And I know this is going to be a helpful platform for everybody. And we'll have some redundancies potentially, but this also takes certain things to another level. So super excited for you guys to get in here and try it out. And I'll keep updating you guys as we get closer or something new comes up that I want to talk about. But with that being said, I'm going to jump off here for now. Stay tuned, and I'll check you guys on the next video.